Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix an error occur while authenticating with Rockstar Games Services Windows 11. So let's start. So I'm here on Epic Games. We have this fact that says if you encounter an error message stating an error occurred while authenticating with Rockstar Game Services, when a launcher grants the Auto 5 or any Rockstar games on Epic Launcher, you have to go to the follow this. How do I switch to public DNS to enter my connection? Just click there, and here is how you can do it. So for example, for Xbox, you go to settings, and while you're in the right tab, select network settings, select advanced settings, select DNS settings, and change the setting to manual. From there are following primary DNS. This is the code, and here also have the PlayStation 1. So go to settings, go to network, and then set up internet connection. Select LAN depending on when you connect, select custom, and make sure the following settings are set up: sections, IP addresses, host name, DNS settings. So you have to enter the following IP address, select next, and make sure the following settings are set to sections: MTU settings, proxy service, and select test internet connection. So that's how you can do it, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.